welcome back to my channel. I just had breakfast, as you guys would have seen. It was actually really filling today for some reason, and I was drinking that coffee like it was water. I don't know, I feel like I've built up my coffee tolerance now. I used to despise it, but now I drink it and I love iced coffees so much, so I feel like I've built up a tolerance, and I literally drank that coffee like it was water. I think this could be the start of something bad. But I wanted to do another vlog. Seriously, I need to stop vlogging. I'm obsessed with it and I need to stop because I'm pretty sure I suck at vlogging. But yeah, it is my birthday. Oh, my calendar's not there. Here it is. I actually decorated this the other day. Look how ugly that is. Hey. But yeah, it is my birthday next week. I'm so excited. But my life is in a bit of a shambles and I need to get my shit together. But yeah, this is my last week of being 19 and I don't want to enter another decade of my life being in a shambles. I'm dedicating the next week and a half to just getting it all together. So yeah, I want to write a grocery list and a workout little sketch. So yeah, the sun is out. I am in a great mood today. I'm just about to do my makeup. I'm feeling alive. I'm also gonna go out to dinner tonight with Charlie. Wow, my life is great. And I'm thinking on Saturday, I wanna go to the museum by myself. Yeah, I get really paranoid when I'm on my own. I think everyone's trying to kill me and I just feel like everyone's looking at me. The world is just so small and everyone, I don't know, it's, you know. So I don't really like doing things on my own. I'll honestly end up just going with Charlie or like my dad and my little sisters or something. But if no one else wants to come with me, I'll just do it on my own. I'll probably end up just not doing it. But yeah, anyway, I've been talking for far too long. So I'm just gonna do my makeup now, clean my room, write a grocery list, write a workout list, all in an hour and a half. Okay, so I've cleaned my room, I've put my makeup on, and I've finished writing my grocery list. So productive. Also, I had to answer the door before because Maddie ordered a couch for some reason. Yeah, I had to answer the door. I'm not wearing a bra and I'm wearing pajama pants. And he was scared of Brody. I feel like Brody would not hurt a fly. He was like, can you please put your dog inside? Brody is like the least scary dog ever. It's so funny when people are scared of him. But yeah, this is my grocery list. It's got about 5 things on it. But yeah, I'm gonna get that after I finish work because I've only got a 3-hour shift today, which is really exciting. So yeah, I'm gonna bring my reusable bags and get these 5 things. I'm home from work now. I did get a bunch of groceries. Actually, not a bunch. I got like 5 things. But I already put them away and I can't be bothered showing you guys right now. So I'll just show you when I get home from dinner. But yeah, I'm really excited for dinner. I'm so freaking hungry. I don't know where we're gonna go yet. Guys, I'm back from dinner. I didn't vlog at all because we just got McDonald's. We couldn't decide what to eat. We were gonna get Nando's and we were gonna get Zambros, and then we're like, let's just get Macca's. Like, we always do that. We always go out to eat and then we realize let's just get Macca's. Who cares? So I got a chicken aioli wrap and an iced coffee, which is downstairs. It was actually really good. Macca's is always a good choice, really. Hey broads, you haven't been in the vlog yet. What are you doing with your life? Here's my iced coffee. I already had a coffee today. I have a coffee problem, I mean. But I'll show you guys what I got today. Actually, should I even? It's kind of boring. I just got like oranges and avocados and stuff. But such a fail. I had my bag sitting there on the table. Hello. And all of this stuff just rolled out. This broke. And my avocados, this one's so mushy. Yeah, so that's really annoying, but avocados were only $1.80, which is such a bargain. I don't know why I shortened to bargain. Also, I got this double brie cheese because I'm trying to stock up on cheese while it's on sale for my birthday parties next week. So far I've got this Mercy Valley cheese, which Mercy Valley cheese is the best cheese in the world. Do not even argue me on that. And this, because it says it's the #1 brand in France, so. Other stuff is just boring. I don't even remember what I got. I don't know what I got. It was probably just like oranges and lettuce and carrots and stuff, so pretty boring. It smells like Vegemite in here. I don't have anything else to talk to. Why do you keep following me, Brody? So yeah, I'm just rambling now, talking about absolutely nothing, so I'll probably talk to you guys in the morning. I'm gonna get my pajamas on now because I'm so freezing. Probably shouldn't have got an iced drink. when it's winter. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Hey everyone, it's the next day. My makeup is crazy, I know, because I just filmed a video of Annie, my little sister, doing my makeup. So that is why I look like this.
Linda.
There you are. Are you doing your makeup now?
No.
Yeah, but I think I'm gonna take this off now because I have work this afternoon. Can't exactly wear this to work, can ya? I look normal again. That video will be up a few days after this vlog goes up, so keep your eyes peeled for that. Do you like your work? I mean, I took it off, but you proud? That's all that matters. I just made myself some lunch, tuna salad, little lettuce wraps, and some oranges. Hey guys, so it's the next day. I sucked at vlogging yesterday. I was supposed to film me working out, but I didn't work out because I'm really lazy. So it was kind of just like a random ass day yesterday. But today I'm going to the museum. Charlie's coming with me because I don't want to go alone, and the weather is pretty gross outside, so I feel like if I was going alone I just would have abandoned. And there's my Uber, so I gotta go now. But this is my outfit. I'm really feeling it. I don't feel the backpack at all, but I've got to have my things. Okay, let's go.
Look at this.
I got this from a random lady on the street, and Charlie's finding it very interesting.
It's pretty interesting.
Particularly, I got an iced caramel macchiato. About to go to the museum. Look how beautiful this looks. Wow. What does Owen Wilson say?
Wow.
Wow. That was...
Yeah, I do a pretty good, don't I?
No.
What? You're just about to say, oh, that was pretty good.
Yeah.
But then when I complimented myself, you just had to take back your
I'm really out of breath. I need to go to the gym. So first time wearing this jacket, I'm so obsessed with it. The guy at Starbucks complimented me on it. So, you know.
Pretty sure this girl.
Yeah, this jacket is so freaking warm and I feel like a fashionista. I'm so excited. Is this the museum here?
No.
So cool.
I don't know, polar ice, so I can only imagine.
What is this?
Maybe it's because
Ooh! Wow, touch this rock. It contains ancient zircon crystals that are almost as old as Earth. That's so cool. Don't you reckon zircon sounds like a made up like villain name?
Sprinkle the glow in the dark pink.
Yes.
The green ones up the top.
So are these naturally glowing in the dark?
Yeah.
That is crazy. Where should we go? I don't know. Can you take a photo with me? These spiders. What is it doing? It's freaking me out. Is it giving birth?
Surely not.
There's something in its butt.
It might just...
Oh my god.
Oh, so
Oh
furry.
my god.
So furry.
I'm actually getting scared. We need to leave. So clearly we're back from the museum. It was so much fun, but I had a stomachache, so I didn't vlog. But now we're going out. I'm wearing like basically the same outfit except a bodysuit instead, and I put on some more makeup, and now we're gonna leave. Just thought I'd catch you up. Hey guys, so it is another day. I didn't vlog yesterday because I was just a bit in the pits and I needed a recovery day. But yeah, so it's Monday now, and I just thought, I don't know how much footage I've gotten for this vlog, but I had such a good time at the museum, and then I had such a good time at my friend Lexi's birthday. But yeah, I've just made myself some lunch. I'm so hungry. Little Brody is taking a nap here. Oh, whoops, I woke him up. Yeah, but I've made myself some avocado and tomato rye crustkits. So excited to eat these. Yeah, but I think I might end the vlog here because it's my birthday in a few days, so I'm gonna be vlogging that, obviously. So for the rest of the week, I've worked tonight, work tomorrow night, but then I have days off until my birthday. So I'm going to use those days very productively and just try and get my life together. Even though I was supposed to be getting my life together in this vlog, didn't happen because I'm lazy. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. It means so much to me. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you very soon with a new video. Bye guys. Say bye, Brody.